Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, pandas, pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. TGIM. Are you ready? Are you ready? I hope you're ready, because I'm ready. I'm absolutely psyched out of my mind this week. We're back live at it again. Forget what happened last week. Forget what happened your last trading day. Forget your last trade. All that matters, pandas, is what you're going to do now. Pandas! Good morning, my pandas. TGIM. Thank God it's Monday. Why? Oh, because we are back live doing what we love most with the community we love most. I mean, it's that easy, pandas. It's really that easy. I can't tell you how much I love this community. I cannot even begin to explain how much I love this community. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the stream. Interesting. What an incredible move over the last 10 minutes of yesterday's trading was the best. When I say yesterday, I mean Fridays. The 5-minute. Look at these last two candles. It was bigger than all the other candles. Other than right here, this little burst up. We get a little burst at the end of the week. Flies up here. And we continue that momentum on Sunday. Sunday, 6 p.m. What a move. Absolutely sick. That is so sick. All right, pandas. Let me say good morning to a couple of you guys. Crimson Demon, good morning. Kevin Mack, good morning. Pablo Escobar, good morning. The Underdog Trader, welcome. Ralph Gruns, good morning. Jamil, good morning. TGIM. Let's get it. Goodness gracious. Wow. Let's get it. Let's focus, pandas. Pandas, I cannot tell you how strongly I'm going to abide by the 3-loss differential, and I'm only trading one contract. Pandas, I'm tired. I'm tired, sick and tired of busting these accounts. We're gonna stick to the rules. Everyone always says if I just had good risk management, I could become a good trader, right? That's like the main thing, the psychological aspect. And good risk management is the stop loss of psychological failure. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, pandas? If you have good risk management, good cash management, good trade management, good money management, that is a way to prevent yourself from psychological failure, psychological error, such as getting tilted. When you get tilted, that is psychological. When you have FOMO, that is psychological. When you try to make up losses, that is psychological. These are all psychological things. And the 3-loss differential is going to prevent me from ruin. It's going to save me from ruin. You know what I mean? And you guys, I would say we won't get as much content, like crazy content as we usually do. But I'll tell you this. We're going to make some serious bamboo now. Like I'm serious, pandas. I'm absolutely serious. If you're just joining the chat, drop a GM in the chat. Scalp that like button. Speedy boy. Pandas. Pandas. Why? I'm going to bet my life savings in short till I die. Do not do that. You will be shocked how strong a market can be. No matter how bad you think the economy is, no matter how bad you think the conditions are, market conditions are, you will be shocked, absolutely shocked how strong the market can be. Bub Sox, good morning. Back with another TPT eval. Let's get it. Pandas, this Wednesday, we're going to do a giveaway. I'm going to give away 2 TPT evals. 2 TPT evals. So get ready, Pandas. Get ready. I'm going to actually have a video out tomorrow. Or maybe, actually, I'll put a video out today. And you're going to have to comment on it. And that allows you to enter into the sweepstakes for Wednesday. Pandas! Are you ready? The 5 minute is absolutely insane gap up. It's a huge gap on the 5 minute. We were flying high. The daily chart, we are almost to the 20 EMA actually on the daily. Absolutely sick. I mean, we're just within this channel. It's like a spike in, not spike in, sorry, a bear flag. Got a bear flag situation here. That's crazy. The OI pattern on the 5 minute breaks to the upside. Uh-oh. And we got a gap on the weekly chart here. I didn't realize we had such a big gap on the weekly chart. We'll probably try to fill that. I don't know when, but we will probably fill that. 2500 tick chart, we're almost at the 20 EMA. Actually, we are at the 20 EMA, sorry. Bouncing off of it. First entry. Let's see what we can get here. We obviously got to go long, right? We obviously got to go long, or is everyone taking their profits now? Luis, good morning. Wow, I'm going to set 10 alarms for Wednesday. Let's get it. Special giveaway on Wednesday. It's going to be absolutely sick. 2 TPT accounts. That's over a $200, or 1 TPT is $119. 150K eval. It's over $100. It's over $100. Pandas! And the thing is, oh, you know what? I believe, you know what? You should still put the promo in BBM when you activate your free accounts. I think because you want to get the free activation fee, because that's a promo right now. There's a free activation fee, and the activation fee is actually expensive, $130. So you save yourself $130. I mean, I'll take it. I mean, if you give it to me, I'll take it. If you give this to me, I'll take it. Second entry long for 20 EMA, 2500 tick chart, I'll take it. I mean, if you're gonna give it to me, the first bounce off the 20 EMA, you gotta try here, right? You gotta try at least once here. And the risk reward is pretty good. It's not even 20 points. Which is actually kind of amazing. The risk is actually small. For 2500 tick chart, that's amazing risk reward. Can we make a new alt? Can we make a new high here? That'd be great. That'd be 2 times risk reward. 1 to 2 risk reward. I love it. I love this trade, actually. Even if I lose it, I'm not losing that much. But if I win it, it's absolutely sick. We're in a strong uptrend, bouncing off the 20 EMA. Nice signal bar. Nice entry bar here. I love that. Let's end on a strong bull bar, please. Don't give me anything tricky here. I'm looking for a new high. We're looking for a 1 to 2 risk reward. We're holding this, Pandas. We're holding this at the bitter end. We made the 1 to 1. And with such a strong bull trend, you would think the first pullback would be small, especially off of support and bouncing off in this way. I mean, that is bouncing off in a way where it looks very strong. Fail second entry short on the 500 tick chart. I said I wouldn't do it, but this is technically 2 different trades. Technically 2 different trades here. Oh, am I just going to lose the original one? Jeez. It's a shame. It looked so good. It looked really good. We made the 1 to 1 though. We made the 1-to-1, but I'm not sure if we're going to make more than that. This is looking pretty strong push down. What can I say? I tried. And I thought it was worth it. Second entry long off the 2500 tick 20 EMA. Looking super strong. Uptrend. First touch of it as well. I mean, you're thinking, with a good signal bar, I mean, you got to try here. If you lose it, you lose it. I guess I could have just got the 1-to-1 and been happy, but who's happy with a 1-to-1 in that situation? Yeah, you get the 1-to-1, but you lose the 1-to-2. Hey, what a way to start. All right, but you know what? It doesn't matter, because in the long run, I think that was worth it. That was a good trade in my opinion. Because you got to break a trend new low. A lot of things going for you to go long there. Unfortunately, it doesn't work out. Unfortunately, it is what it is. It's all good. We will live to fight. I mean, if you took the 1-to-1 out, good for you because you saved yourself. That's the thing about trading only one contract. Because if I had like 2 contracts, I would have taken out the 1-to-1 and see if I can run. But because we have one contract, no can do. First bar on the 5 minutes actually bearish, but gets bought up immediately. Am I looking to go long again is a question. Feels like I can just short, I'll try here. Feels like I can just short, I'll try. Okay, it might just be a second entry short. Might just have a downtrend. Okay. You mean the overnight uptrend is going to be completely reversed in the morning? That could be the case here. I might get my setup. Oof. I'm glad I didn't enter that trade. Wow, I'm glad I didn't enter that trade. What a crazy looking trap. What just happened? Why is this going so slow? It's a failed trap right here. I don't know. I gotta cancel this. The market's like frozen. At least my charts are frozen. I'm not sure what's happening here. I'm not getting any. The data's very slow right now. The data's very slow. We got too many overlapping bars in a row. Even though this can fly, too many overlapping bars, and plus like I'm getting lag right now. I'm getting like crazy lag right now. I'm not sure what's happening. Like the bars are forming way too slowly. Like I know the bars are forming quicker than they are. I'm gonna reload my historical. I'm not sure what's happening. Day trader, I never win anyways, not even in life. What are you saying? Why are you saying that? It's so sad. You're a winner, day trader, and why? Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise.
5-minute trap.
The only reason why you feel like you're losing is because you're comparing yourself to others. Everyone has their own journey. Seriously. Literally, like winning is defined by the user. Don't define yourself by other people's success. What in the world? Why would you ever do that? All right, let's get this. Fail second just short? Sure, why not? I mean, we had this monstrosity right here, like 7 overlapping bars, 8 overlapping bars in a row. Now we're flying. Now we're absolutely flying here. You know what's kind of a shame? We literally get stopped out, like, just barely. We get stopped out by 5 points. Now it's flying. It just wanted one more push down, huh? Market just wanted one more push down before the final push up. It's very hard to time that. It's very unpredictable. And this push up is just monstrous. Like, we can't even partake in this. If I went long here, maybe I've been interested. But the problem is that it felt like I had like lag. I'm not sure what was happening. Like the candles weren't forming correctly. This would be an ultimate momentum play. It's low probability trade, but you know, with a low probability trade, if you just get a good risk reward, then it could be great. But I'm going to sit on my pause here. Sit on my pause. Notice that we couldn't close above the high. We couldn't close above the high. We did pierce it, but we couldn't close. Second entry long. Am I interested here? Am I interested in second entry long here? Floating in midair like that. Sure, I'll try. Yeah, I'm too slow. I'm just too slow. I'm too slow for this market. It triggered and it just blasted off. And do I still want it if it comes back? I don't think so. Now it's looking sus. Retracement pushes back up. People buying here. People buying beneath this candle. Let's see if people buy beneath these pivots. Limit order market currently
5-minute trap.
hitting that. Okay. All right, limit order market, limit order bulls are in control right here. You see the moment this bar closes, they got bought up. Every time it gets closer there, it gets bought up. Bulls beneath still. Bulls in control. Still buying, buying, buying. Limit order bulls still in control. Another trap. How long can this last for? The sideways movement. Not interested while it's this sideways for me. Again, it's hard to time the breakout here. But I will try if it pushes up one more time, just because the timing is probably testing the 20 EMA. Once we test the 20 EMA, it might be our time to go. Let's test the 20 EMA. I would love that. I would absolutely love that. Here we go. Big bear bar? I still want a long here. Could be a limit order market easily. Let's try. It looks like an instant failure. The moment it triggers, it reverses very sharply. But we had a trading range here, and we're thinking we're coming back into our trading range and continues uptrend. That's what I'm thinking here. Pandas, I mean, I could be entirely wrong. It looks like I'm wrong. Keeps creating these huge wicks. Come on, bulls. Limit order bulls, come in when I need you most. Limit order bulls. Oh, this is a failed trap. I'm going long extra. This is a failed trap. I am adding on to this trade if it's failed trap. Failed. Doesn't look like a failed trap. Looks like a strong trap. Jeez. All right. 0-2. I'm sorry. What a stinky market. 0-2. But pandas, what we're gonna do to prevent ruin is stop at 3 loss differential. So I need to win one soon. What is this nonsense? I thought we'll come back into our trading range here, but it looks like maybe more of a triple top reversal, right? Double top of the overnight high. That's what happened here instead. All right, fair enough. Double top of the overnight high, fair enough. The 5 minutes, absolutely just limit order market, right? The moment this bar closes, it got bought up. The moment this bar closes, it got sold. This is a limit order market, pure limit order market on the 5-minute chart, floating in midair. It's a darn shame. Pandas! Use at 945. It's not tier 1 though. Let's see. Oh, you know what? Manufacturing PMI. It's not tier 1, but it could move. It could move the markets. Let's see here. Actually, a good call on that. 945 is some good news. The PMI, it can move the markets. Usually, it's like medium, kind of high, but I mean the big Kahuna is 8:30 on Friday. That's the big Kahuna. Core PC price index. That's the big news event. But I will certainly say flash service PMI can move the market, so just be careful. The thing about TPT is they don't, if they don't tell you about the news, then you don't have to worry about it. You can also see a calendar on TPT, which news you can trade, which news you can't. Or basically just which news you can't trade. Panda, you see how it's frozen like this? Like, something is definitely wrong. This is very unreliable. Like, I know it's not taking this long to get more ticks. We're stuck at 68 right now. Like, something is up. Like, Rhythmic is messed up right now. I'm pretty sure. What Rhythmic is messed up. Pandas, like, you guys need to submit tickets right now to Rhythmic because it is jacked up. Rhythmic is absolutely jacked up right now. Yes, you should have rolled it last week to 0625. But something's wrong with Rhythmic, and I would highly recommend to submit a ticket to Apex because this is not. I mean, unless you guys are not seeing what I'm saying, this is like, it's really crazy. It's really crazy. It's like going. It's like frozen. My candles are frozen. My candles are absolutely frozen right now. Like, there's no way it's taking this long to print this candle. Something is wrong. Something is really wrong here. I'm not sure what's happening. I'm not sure what's happening. I know we had the news, but I'm saying that, look, this is stuck at 381 for a couple seconds, and I know it's not taking that long for that candle to print. Like, it's getting frozen. My candles are getting frozen. I already reset it. I can reset it again, but I already reset it. I'm not sure what's happening here. Pandas! If you guys are seeing the same thing, I would say submit a ticket for rhythmic lag, like incredible rhythmic lag. And the more people that do it, the better chance we get to get like a reset day. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? When that happens, you know what I mean. Oh, you absolutely know what I mean when that happens. Okay. OII pattern on the 2500 tick chart. Is this reliable to trade? Seems like it might be getting better. We'll see. Oh. Yeah, something's wrong here. What's going on? Yeah. Like my rhythmic disconnected. Like my rhythmic straight up disconnected. Like it like turned off. I think we got rhythmic issues today, pandas. I think we got rhythmic issues. I think there's rhythmic issues. My rhythmic straight up disconnected. Like my rhythmic dashboard. I had to like reconnect it. Top left of your screen, you saw that you lost the captures. I would say everyone should submit a ticket and say, hey, there's a rhythmic lag. 9:30 to 10. Okay, second entry long. Coming off the 20 MA, sorta. Sorta. It could just be a strong uptrend, I don't know. I'm inclined to go long just because we had such a strong move up already. We're already in a strong uptrend.
$2,500 tick trap.
Rhythmic is trash. CQG is better, but Rhythmic is just trash. CQG also has issues though too, in my opinion. Just watching this. I would like a good setup. Strong bull bar ending on its high on the 5-minute chart. Strong bull bar ending on its high on the 5-minute chart. Let's see if we get a always and long here trade. Oh, hello. It's a first entry. First entry here. Do I want this? Opening reversal possibly. Cinema pause. We're probably really close to the daily 20 EMA. I mean, we're close, but relatively it's kind of far. It's got like, 50 points to it. Good morning, Pandas. Make sure you scalp that like button. Pandas, we're 0-2 right now, but it's looking fine. It's looking incredibly fine. I'm okay. We lose 3. We have a 3-loss differential. Got the kaputs. First entry here off our trend line on a strong bull move. Tempting to take that first entry off our trend line here. It's tempting. I guess for me, I'm not sure how strong our uptrend really is just because of all this choppiness here. So much chop. We've had a very choppy day. Spike in channel. Spike in channel seems more likely the pattern here. All right, another first entry. Okay, like 40,000 overlapping bars right now. That's the first entry off our trend line with the worst signal bar possibly imaginable. It's a big doji bar. Maybe I should just be going long. If we get another bull bar on the 5-minute chart, maybe I'll go long. Another bull bar on the 5-minute chart, maybe go long. Another first entry here. 8 pushes up here. But every push up is very small. Like, I don't think the stop order bulls are really making much money here. Okay, pushes down. I mean, I should technically be buying here with a limit order. I mean, that's what I should be doing. If that's what's been happening, that's what I should be doing right here. Just buying with a limit order here. The bottom of that small channel here. Just buy near the bottom. Like, that's what I should be doing. But I ain't. Because I don't trade like that. It's like, not that I don't trade like that, but I don't really take those trades. You know what I mean? I hope that makes sense. I see them. I know I can do it. But for me, the probability, the risk reward is not good enough. It's not good enough. Okay, I'm going to adjust my channel here. My spiking channel, because it's making new highs, so I'm going to adjust it. Using new pivots. If we get like a pretty strong bull bar on the 5-minute, I'm just going to buy it on the 5-minute chart. Not even caring what happens. Just going to buy it. Taking always and long. Scared of opening reversal. I mean, this looks nasty. Look at the 2500 tick chart. Like this does not look pretty. That's not a pretty uptrend by any means. The 5 minute, if we get like a bull bar here, I'll probably go long. If you get a bull bar here, I'll probably go long. So I'm waiting for the 5 minute. I think it's a pause bar in a 5 minute. We're gonna try to go higher. We did get very overlapping bars, breakout. We might retest this area here actually. That breakout area. Could possibly do that. Okay, just gonna go long here. Thinking that that's a pause bar. And then we're gonna start making some bamboo here. Let's make a little bamboo. Very small risk, right? Like my risk here is, geez. Actually, let me use a ruler so you can know how much points that is. It's 15-point risk. Looking for a 1-to-1 here. Hopefully a 1-to-2 would be great. Breaking above. 1-to-2 would be good, but maybe I'll take the 1-to-1 just to get on the winning side. Get on the winning side of a trade for once. I guess I get a 1-to-1 on this candle here. That's what I would like. 1-to-1 on this candle is actually higher than the 1-to-2 on my risk reward. I thought this would be a pause bar, a strong bull bar, then pause bar, and see if we continue. I could be wrong here. We could reverse and retest this area here. Retest this breakout area. It could happen. Not very strong on the lower time frames either. And we broke this high. Doesn't have a great reaction after breaking the high of the previous bar. Like you want to see a strong reaction, right? When with like a strong always in long, like you want to see a strong like a strong bar that's like very definitive of the bulls rushing in and saying that was the spot we all want to jump in. That was the spot. Like right here, this was the spot everyone jumps in, all the bulls. We are pushing up a little bit here. We made our 10 points. I'll be happy with 20 points. Let's get 20. Give me my 20. Should I just let this candle finish? Give me my 20. Give me my 20. I'll take my 20. I'll take my 20. Easy peasy. It's a little more than my 1-to-1, my risk reward that I had. It's a little more than 1-to-1. I'll take it. I'm 1-2 now. You know, that makes it so I can take 2 more losses here. You know what I mean? It makes it so I can trade a little bit more with you guys. But 20 points right there, just buying at the close of that bar. Why not? Don't even look at this chart because this chart's just absolute trash. You know what? Actually, let's take a look at this chart. The spike in channel is very, very defined. Very, very strong spike in channel. Coming off the channel here. Not touching, like gliding above the top. Okay, now we're breaking beneath. Maybe taking that 20-point scalpel is a good move. Taking that 20-point scalp, maybe the best move I've made in 2025. What in the world? How is that possible? Basically, tick shot at the market, hit the top. Took it right at the top. 20 points. It's such an arbitrary number, but I'll take it. 20 points. I just liked it. I just like the sound of it. Second entry long for me here. Okay. Second entry long. That is a terrible looking signal bar. Goodness gracious. If fail second entry long is the best setup right now. This is looking very sus. 5-minute looks like it is reversing. Okay. Second entry long. Coming off the 20 MA. Good signal bar now. It's a good signal bar now, pandas. It's a very good signal bar now. I don't know. This looks sus. This feels sus. I'm gonna take a failed trap. I don't know. I just don't think I don't think this trade's worth it. The risk. Fails like entry long. Super choppiness. I don't know. I don't know if it's worth it. Okay. It tried to reverse, but didn't get very far. Now it's reversing back up. We're continuing the second entry long direction. Tough to say. Maybe failed trap might be a better setup here. Taking advantage of those, trying to counter trend trade this when we should be going long.
2,500 tick trap.
Okay. Looks like the trap doesn't trigger at all. So I don't feel confident enough to take this long. But I would feel way more confident if we try to reverse it and that reversal fails and pushes back up. Don't forget on the 5-minute chart, we do have an area, this blue line. We need to test this area.
2,500.
In my opinion, we do need to test it. Ooh, the trap does trigger. I mean, if you give it to me, I'll take it. Trap does trigger. A failed trap, I'll try. Looks like the trap itself is good. Like, forget the failed trap. The trap itself was just delicious trade. It's a scalp on its own. Probably 20 points. No, not even. 20 points is way down here, actually. These candles are small. Actually, the candles are small today, pandas. Did you realize that? Very low volatility right now. The candles are small. My ATR right now is 10. It's been 20 the last 2 weeks. Now it's 10. Significant drop in volatility. Usually happens on these grinds up. When the market goes down, market volatility is crazy. The market goes up, it's very, very low. Staircase up, elevator down. That's what they say. Okay, this trap looks like it's about to fail. But no entries for that failed trap. I'm not going to really go long here. Not going to really just go long there. A higher or low, maybe interested in going long. Higher or low. But this is looking sus. In fact, today's trading looks terrible. Like, if you could avoid trading today, that's the best. We're down 195. It's a plus, honestly. It's a win for me. Jeez. Down 195. I'm 1 and 2 right now and down 195. All intents and purposes, it's like pretty much a break-even day for me. This is a grind right now, pandas. It's like one of those days. If you just love watching paint dry, you're going to love this market. It's going to be your favorite thing in the world. Like I said, higher low, I'll try here. Higher low, but I would like it to trigger not in the same bar. I really like the trigger not in the same bar. Okay, I'll try here. All right, we're in. Small, teeny baby risk here. Let's see if we get some bamboo. This could be a nice pop-up. Or we can continue our discussing choppiness and just come right back down. Why not? It's basically creating a double top here. Oh, boy. In the same bar, reverses. Okay, fair enough. 1 and 3. I'm 1 and 3, but only down 340. I mean, I love that. I love being only down 340. Having 2 losses more than my wins. It means my wins. It means I have good risk reward. Being down 340 is nada. It's nothing, Panda. It's nothing. Being down 340 is not absolutely nothing. The Knowledge Hub says stupid slow, not worth it. Pandas, I hope everyone put a ticket in Rhythmic saying how slow it was at the open. Like, it was weird. Like, I straight up lost connection to Rhythmic. Like, Rhythmic shut down, like my dashboard. Hope everyone else put tickets in. It's gonna be to your benefit because they're most likely gonna say like, okay, We're just going to reset your account to the highest watermark. Another attempt to push up. Now we got a double bottom here. No, I want to go long here.
Five-minute trap.
I mean, it's so choppy. Don't I just sit in my pause here? Literally inside this trading range. That's a triple top. No clue what's happening here. It looks disgusting though. 2500 tick chart will further confirm how disgusting this is. The 5-minute, it's not as disgusting. It's a little bit harder to tell what's happening in the 5-minute chart. Huh. Interesting. I'll take a short here. If it triggers up and goes down, I'm going to go short. See what happens. Looking for a fail second entry long. Pandas! How you guys doing today? How's everyone doing today? I'm Bye Money. We trade in Nascraq every single day live. Thanks for joining. I do appreciate it. So far, we pretty much trade with Apex Apex Trader Funding. Apex basically, and also Take Profit Trader. Those are two main prop firms I'm using. Take Profit Trader, I'm telling you right now, that thing is a beast. It is a beast of a prop firm, and I think it's gonna be an industry changer. If other prop firms don't follow suit, I don't understand why anyone else would use anything else other than the best. Okay, we got a nice push down here. Let's see if we can actually get a push down. It's getting bought up here, limit order market. Maybe dumb trade here. Or maybe the best trade ever. I think on the 5-minute chart, we do want to come to this area and retest this breakout area here. Let's try. I can take off my risk here if I really am worried of losing this trade. Take off my risk here. I think we got to test this area at least. My balance off the 20 EMA on the 2500 tick.
Target bill.
I'm going to take my 1-to-1. I could have held it, but I'm going to take my 1-to-1 because I'm already scared to lose this trade because of the 2500 tick chart. Right, the 2500 tick chart, 20 EMA. I think a support here. Okay, so I'm glad I took my 1-to-1 because it can't retrace anyways. 2 and 3 now. I'm 2 and 3, which is not too bad for being down 140. Not the worst, I'll say. It's not the worst, Pandas. Like, trust me. It could be way worse. It's not that bad. Drop a GM in the chat right now if you're just joining. I will be doing a giveaway. I'm trying to decide if I want to do it Friday. Oof, it does come down to the 1-to-2 where I want it to come down. I'm trying to decide if I want to do a Friday or Wednesday. I think I'll just do a Wednesday. It's basically I'm going to give away two 50K evals for TPT, and it's basically a value of $119, and you get it for free. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to release a giveaway video, and the video literally is just there so you can comment on it, and so I can grab the comments and pick a random comment. And it doesn't matter how many times you comment, as long as you comment once, that's all that matters. It doesn't matter if you comment 40 times, it's going to count as once. So please be on the lookout for that. Subscribe so you can see that video when it comes out. And on Wednesday's stream, we're going to announce a winner for the free evals. I'm going to do 2 giveaways, one 50K eval each. So please be on the lookout for that. It's a gift for you guys. I want you guys to try it. I want you guys to try TPT. And that's a way for you guys to try. And when you guys just get a taste of how nice it is to have zero consistency rules on funded accounts, I think you're going to realize, man, this is a good, like, If you're not using Apex, I would say use TPT. Like that's, I mean, forget Top Step, forget, you know, My Furniture, forget all these other prop firms. They are just trash compared to TPT right now. TPT is creating the industry standard, in my opinion. So we do come up, retest that area, which I thought we were gonna test. I was just like a little too like timid to hold that because I saw the 2500 tick chart creating a second entry long off the 20 EMA and also strong bull bar. Like it started to form like the strong bull bar. I got a little spooked. So I got out prematurely. Got my 1-to-1 though, so I'm not complaining too much. But I could have held it for more, obviously. But you have to have let it cook. It's very when you see the strong bull bar, you're thinking like, you know, you're done. Your trade's done. You know, so surprisingly, like people just hold it. They fail second entry long on a 2500 tick chart. Could be a good trade. Roshkin says I'm vibing. Just chilling here. Not the best market to trade in my opinion. This is actually pretty stinky. Lots of overlapping bars. Very low volatility. Right now my ATR is less than 10. It's 9.38. I use a 14 ATR, 14 period ATR to see how big my candles are on average. And that helps me figure out like how much risk am I going to be taking today. Second entry long maybe does form on a 2500 tick chart, but it's at a place where you're actually looking for a trap at this point. 2500 tick chart trap, essentially. I'm hit. That's a strong bull bar, but I'm looking for a trap here now. Strong bull bar triggering underneath the 20 MA. Yeah. Looking for a reason to go short now. Looking for good reasons to go short. It's a good signal bar off the 20 EMA here on the 500 tick chart. Is that an indicator indicator? You can get an indicator, but the one I'm using is like the patch toolbar. You can find it on my, I believe you can find it on the Discord, our Discord. You can get the toolbar on my Discord under resources. If you go under resources in our Discord, join the Discord, go under resources, you can get the toolbar that I use that makes trading pretty actually nice. It's actually a pretty good toolbar. Second just short, I mean, I'll try here. It's an outside bar reversal, which makes it not as good, but I'll try. For a potential of a nice push down, like a really good push down. Okay. Like the outside bar reversals, that's why I hate them. Because it does stuff like that. I hate those. We are just like balancing back and forth. We're like 50-50, almost 2 and 4 now. Outside bar reversal triggers a second too short, but just bounces right back up. I don't know, pandas. Today is not going to be the day. I'm pretty sure I'm going to have a red day today. I'm pretty sure my destiny today is going to be a red day. But the question is, pandas, how red of a day am I going to have? That is the ultimate question. And that is ultimately based on how disciplined I can be today. And just not go insane and stick to my 3-loss differential. You know what I mean? Like today, I don't even want to trade my TPT accounts because it's such a choppy day. Like I don't want to try my TPT accounts today. You basically have one bullet with TPT accounts. At least the way I trade it. Okay. Feels like I just short, maybe. Be an okay trade here, but I don't even know. I don't even know. It's not worth it. Just let it pass by. I don't like any trade here. Whatever. I have one more shot before my 3-loss differential. So it's game point. You know what I mean? It's game point. I gotta make it ace. I gotta make it an ace. We're at game point right now, pandas. Or match point. If you want to join the Discord, there should be a link in my There should be a link in my description for the Discord. If there's not, let me check. I'm pretty sure I have a link to my Discord in. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I have a link to the Discord in the description. So if you want to join, you can download the toolbar under resources. I think it's nice because it has this ability to right click and move your charts around, so you don't have to use your keyboard and press Control. You just right click and move it around. It's a trap trade, triggering. I don't know. Could blast off. Could just reverse all of a sudden. Day like today, hard to tell. I'm not participating. I'm getting bamboozled left and right. Okay, multiple bull bars on the 2500 tick chart. Multiple bull bars ending near their highs, 2500 tick chart. But notice we're in some sort of trading range thing here, and more likely to turn to a trading range because all these overlapping bars in it. So I'm not looking for a breakout here. Actually, looking for a reversal probably sometime soon. If we can get one, I don't know. Okay. Okay. Second entry long. Okay. I'm just watching. I have no clue. It looks semi-bullish to me. Makes a new high. It breaks this pivot high. High or low? Like I said, I'm looking more for reversals in this area. Thinking we're a possible trading range, seeing that we're so choppy here. I mean, this price action's yuck. It's ick. It's icky. My ATR now is below 9. 8.91 just shows how bad it is. For comparison, ATR last week was 20. It's less than half the ATR. That means it's less than half the movements per bar. That means less than half the volatility, pandas. What is this trash? By the way, pandas, I started watching Solo Leveling. Goodness gracious. I haven't watched an anime in a while. It's been a while since I saw like an anime that I really want to watch it. But Solo Leveling, goodness, I binged that. I binged the heck out of that show. Solo Leveling. If you didn't watch it, if you think anime is stupid, whatever, alright. To each his own. But if you haven't watched it yet and you slightly like anime, Like if you watch like Naruto or whatever, like you know, it just even that at that much. The mainstream anime, Solo Leveling, it's worth a try, and I think you will know what I'm talking about when you watch it. Solo Leveling. It's like it's one of those animes you just wish they all came out at once because you're like every single week you're just waiting for it to you end up watching the non-subbed version just because like you just wanted to watch you can't wait to watch it. You can't wait for the subs to come out. So you watch the raw. You have no idea what they're saying, but you just watch it anyways. That's how like that's how much you anticipate each episode. It's such a good show. It's such a good show. All right, I'm gonna put a poll up. The poll is the best way to get people's attention because it forces you to at least look at the poll. Whenever you enter the stream, like it at least it forces you to. It's basically better than the. It's basically I'm using it as a pin comment. But so you guys can know about what's happening Wednesday. TPT giveaway. 250K account evals. Ugh. Popping up, broke this high. Great. I mean, woohoo, I guess. I don't know. I don't think I'm jumping in any of these. Yoji says, I'm looking at your poll and questioning my existence. Interesting. That is not a reaction I was expecting. I did not expect you to have an existential crisis by reading my poll. Okay. Absolute trash. I'm about to do something absolute trash. Bob Sock says, LMAO Panda stressing while I'm just customizing my color scheme. How do I change the color of my execution line? I don't know. Go to tools, options, and find that setting. I don't know. Second entry long here. Hitting the previous high, so I'm not expecting much here. Second entry long, but tons of overlapping bars. We are going up, so you do have, I guess, more probability for this to pop up. But in general, just not looking good for anything here. It's too choppy for me, too grindy. It's not even coming off a support here. It's actually hitting a resistance. Bad signal bar. Just watching. Okay. The second entry long reverses a little bit, but pushes back up a little bit. Ultimately, looks like it might push up. I don't know. If you can't beat them, join them. Should I just try buy with a limit order somewhere around here? Only thing I'm worried about is if I buy with a limit order, it's just gonna bounce off the top of this resistance and just actually reverse to the downside. Higher or low, the inside bar, and looking choppy as always. Now my ATR is 8.7. This is absolute trash. The only way you can really make money, in my opinion, right now is by limit orders. Sell and buy limit orders. We can tell that both bears and bulls are making money here, right? Bears are shorting the top as we break the previous candle's high. Bulls are going long as we get near. Ooh. 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 What do we have here? A little something. A little second entry long. Okay. I can see some potential movement here. Second entry long. Off the 20 EMA. Okay. Second entry long triggers. I mean, the 20 EMA is rising too, so that could be a good second entry long here. It could be. Nothing I'm ecstatic about seeing how choppy we are right now, but it is going up. And that 20 EMA does look healthy. It does look healthy. But you know me. You know what I'm about. You know what we're about to do here. We're going short, baby. Going down, down, baby. Your street in the Range Rover. Wow, what a mistake that was. What an absolute terrible trade right there. Failed second entry long, but above this trend line. Yikes. I mean, should I revert? No. I'm going to be disciplined here. If I lose this trade, Pandas, that's it. That's it. We had our 3-loss differential. I'm going to save myself from ruin because I know that today is a stinky day of trading, and there's absolutely no reason for me to continue this assault to my brain. My brain's literally getting assaulted by how terrible this price action is. So that's it. That's it, Pandas. You have to just buy off the 20 EMA with limit orders. That's what today's all about. Let's keep buying off the 20 EMA. You make bamboo today. Goodness gracious. What in the world? What in the world is this price action? But we are done. All right, Pandas, we are absolutely done with our Apex. We're down 520. It's absolutely okay. I don't mind being down 520. If my losses every time I had a red day and I'm only down 520, that is a plus for me. I don't even mind that. But I just think today in general, it's just not worth trading. As you can see, with my the reason why I got a 3-loss differential, it speaks to itself, right? If it's a bad day, I most likely have a 3-loss differential. My 3-loss differential should tell me that we are having a bad day. So they are confirming one another. So this is a sign for me that I should stop trading. And now when I look at the price action, it's like Why am I even trying to trade? Oh, now we push down. Now we push down after it takes me out. So it's just one of those days. You know, like it's going to trick you with all your setups. It's going to be so choppy. It's going to give you a lot of false setups.
5-minute trap.
That's what's happening today. It's just going to further put me on tilt where I'm going to like want to make up for my losses, so forth. Panda's good news. Apex code BBM 80% off is extended till the end of the month. And you get 80% off, and then you got special deals on the 250K, 300K accounts. You can see the left of your screen, all the details of the promo, and also 30% off TPT with no activation fee. No, so don't tilt like last Friday. I mean, we're done. We're done. You know, the reason why I go on quote unquote tilt is because of content. You know, it's like obviously you guys want me to keep trading. So what are we gonna do now? Like, I don't think it's even worth trading my take profit accounts today. I don't think it's even worth trading my take profit accounts because it's not a day that I feel confident. Like, look at this market. Like, why would you even put yourself through this torture? We just jump to sim here. I mean, this is just terrible. This is just nasty. Like, thoughts and prayers. Thoughts and prayers to you guys if you continue to trade this. I'm jumping on sim and I'm gonna just trade normally here though. When I say normally, I'm talking like 100 contracts each. It's completely normal for me. Okay. Strong bull bar ending on its high 2500 tick chart. You know, no big. Just a 100 contract trade. No big. No big here. Whoa. Spikes back down. Strong bull bar ending on its high. It gets absolutely just folded here. Outside bar on the 5-minute chart. I mean, I would stay away from today, pandas. Jamil says, I'm right there with you, Panda. Just taking my 203 loss and calling it a day. Today is not the... You know what? You're doing better than me. You lost only 203? Congratulations. Doing better than me, actually. And even better is that you are realizing today's not the day. And we got better days ahead. You know what I mean? Got better days ahead. I'll show you the power of the infinite stop loss right now. You want to see the power of the infinite stop loss? Did we hit the daily chart 20 EMA? Oh, we got so close, pandas. We got 3 points away from hitting the 20 EMA on the daily chart. 3 points on the daily chart? Oh, whoa, we are dripping. All right, see how much money we can lose on this trade. Let's try. I mean, it could be a strong reversal here. We got a wedge top on the 5-minute chart. 1, 2, 3 pushes up. 1, 2, 3 pushes up. Wedge top on the 5-minute chart. I mean, we can have a full-blown reversal here. Why not? Absolutely can happen. Your best trades when you try to lose money, make even more. Yeah. Infinite stop loss power over 9,000. Absolutely. The aura is out of control. Aura is out of control right now. I'll show you the power of the infinite stop loss right now. Infinite stop loss activated.
2,500 tick trap.
Coming back up into our trading range here. Actually, a strong bear bar. Maybe a good looking short. Negative 40,000, that's it. Come on, you can do better than that market. Today is not the day, in my opinion. Like, it's not even worth for me trading my TPT accounts today. I mean, it's just look at this price action. Look at this price action. It's actually terrible. I mean, being down 503, it's not even that bad. Or 500, it's not even that bad today. If every losing day I have is just 500, that's fine. Because my winning days are like over 1500, not over 1500. Well, oftentimes over 1500, but like my winning days can be over 1500, so I think it's well worth. Okay. It's more tomfoolery here. The power of the infinite stop loss. Can you even do it? Can you even do it? This is funny. So close. I want to just come out break even if I can, but we're so close to coming out break even. We just can't actually get to it. That's hilarious. We can't get break even. It's like so close. If the trap triggers, I'm just gonna let it fly. Give me my trap and I'll let it fly. Okay, pushing down. Maybe this is just gonna crash here. We shall see. Oh man, the price action is so bad. I cannot tell you. You get days like this all the time, but the nice thing is, 3-loss differential is gonna stop you from to save you from ruin. You know what I mean? To save you from ruin on days like today, where today you're like you force yourself to trade, and you force every trade. You make up reasons to take trades just because you're staring at a market that's just super choppy, doing nothing, and ultimately go to ruin. But 3-loss differential. I mean, we're 2 and 5. I'm done. I'm done. That's it. You call it a day. Move on. Tomorrow it will be a better day. It's not even worth trading on days like today. Like your EV is way negative on days like today. If I was green today, it would just be like kind of luck, in my opinion. On days like today. All right, failed trap. Pushes down strong. Probably could push down more. Maybe a lot more, actually. Maybe a lot more it could push down. In fact, if we get a trap here, I'll reverse this trade. Let's press the reverse button, actually. Much easier. Oh shit, yeah. I'll press the reverse button. It'll be better. The moment we trigger it, I'm going to press the reverse button. The problem is I lose my, it seems like I lose all my, my targets, my take profit and stuff. Well, trap, this trap, trap triggers reverses immediately. I'll take it. Whatever. I think it's going to push down. I think it's going to push down. I don't think it's done. I truly have an infinite stop loss. I don't have a stop loss marker. It could have been a strong push down. Looking at the 5-minute chart, we have a lot of room to come back down here. A lot of room to come back down. Test a 20 EMA. A lot of reasons to go short here. Plus, you had a fail second entry long. Decent trade. If this flies up now, that'd be great. As in, that'd be hilarious. This might be actually a decent setup. If it bounces off of this trend line here and pushes down again, it could actually be a decent setup to go short. Double bottom. Just a lot of failed traps here. This trap fails. This trap fails where I lost my last trade. Incredible. It is what it is. Guillermo Torres says, new here, trying to follow along. What chart are you trading? This is the futures chart. It's a Nasdaq. We call it the Nascraq because it's absolutely cracked out of its mind. But it's basically the futures of the QQQ. And you can trade this leverage product, right? It's a derivative. It's leveraged. The futures are leveraged. And every trade you take is basically 20x the QQQ. And so we try to scalp. We try to swing. Basically day trade the futures here. The reason why day trading the futures is nice is because the commissions are quite low for what it is. Such a leveraged product, commissions are quite low. But the best part is we trade with prop firms, so we don't lose our own money. We trade other people's money. We trade prop firms' money. The way to get to the prop firm, the way to get that money is you trade the prop firm past the eval. Once you pass the eval, then you qualify to get funded. Once funded, then you just go ham, just go crazy. You know what I mean? Wow, pandas, this is just painful. I'm just like sticking this out because I want to at least stay on to 1045. But the moment it hits 1045, I'm done, pandas. I'm out. Let me explain a little bit about this poll or this giveaway. On Wednesday we'll have a giveaway, so that means I'm gonna put a video out, a giveaway video, and the giveaway video will you have to comment on it. Just put any comment in the video so I can grab those comments so we can do the giveaway. Both sides says if I can pass it, exactly. The hard part is passing the eval. But with Apex, I mean, passing the evals with Apex is super easy. Super easy if you know the technique on how to pass them. If you don't know the technique on how to pass the evals for Apex, I'm sure you can learn it somewhere. I just cannot promote it here on this channel. I cannot. I will not.
2,500 tick
But there is a way to almost guarantee to pass evals for Apex. It's gonna fail second entry long for me, maybe on 2,500. This could be an okay setup. Maybe I'll trade one TPT account here. I'll trade one TPT to see if we can get something here. Fail second entry long on the 2,500 tick chart. I don't even like it that much, but I'll try. Maybe just because we're so far away from 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart, we have room to come down. Will Daryl come after me? Yeah. He's gonna cry and say, Why are you scamming and scheming us? He's gonna haunt me. He's gonna hide in my attic. I just don't want to promote it. I just don't want to promote it. I don't feel right doing it. But I'll tell you what, you can find it pretty easily probably if you look online. Let's see. Let's see how fast I can find it. I'm gonna go on YouTube and go how to pass Apex evaluation. How to pass Apex evaluation. And let's see this guy.
Trading other people's.
Okay, I don't want to watch this. You trade the news though, that's part of it. You trade the news. Okay. I wanted to do my take profit, but it's not giving me any type of setup. Second entry long triggers on the 2500 tick chart. I mean, it just keeps going up and up and up, though. I'll tell you that much. It's very choppy, but it is going up. It's funny because this trade actually would have worked out. I reversed it on that trap, and now I'm trapped again. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh man. Why am I even trading right now? Alright, Pandas, I think that's it. Pandas, be on the lookout for the giveaway. I'm going to try to put the video out sometime today, probably soon after the stream. Make sure you guys comment on it so you guys can partake in the giveaway on Wednesday. I'm giving away two free 50K evals on TPT because I want you guys to try it. I really want you guys to try it, and I think you guys would love it. TPT. All right, Pandas. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning. Same time, 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. Hope to see you guys there. Thanks for joining, everyone. You guys have been amazing, especially on this terrible day of trading. It is what it is. But thanks for joining. You guys make it. You guys make days like today tolerable. You actually make days like today enjoyable. What can I say? I'll see you guys then. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.